Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making spatchcock chicken in a Power XL air fryer grill combo. I'm starting out here with a chicken that's roughly under 4 pounds, and I just cleaned it. There were no giblets in this one. Now we're going to go ahead and spatchcock this. What you want to do is cut along the backbone, along the sides of the backbone. And I'm going to be doing 2 chickens, because this one isn't big enough for it. So I'm going to do the second one in the oven. And you just want to cut the backbone out. And this is being a little stubborn, guys. But that's because you're cutting through bone. Alright, there's one side. Now, if you're kind of intimidated by this, you could ask your butcher at the grocery store to do this for you. They might charge you. Alright. Now, you could save that backbone for soup stock or anything, but I'm going to get rid of it. Now, I'm going to rinse my chicken out to get these loose little bits of meat and flesh out of there. Alright. Well, now that I have my chicken all rinsed out, you want to turn it over and press down and break that bone there in the rib cage. And I'm just going to give it a little twist like this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and spatchcock my second chicken off of camera, and once I get that done, I'll bring it back so we can season these. Alright, now they have both my chickens spatchcocked, and the one on the right's a hair bigger. That's one we're doing in the oven. I'm going to do that at 400 for 1 hour. This one here we're going to do in a Power XL at 375 for 45 minutes, because it's going to be a smaller area and it's going to be closer to the air fryer lid. I'm going to start by seasoning them both with salt and some pepper. And the benefits of cooking your chicken spatchcock is it cooks more evenly and your chicken gets juicier. Alright. Now I'm going to put some ground sage on here. Sage goes good with chicken. And you can season your chicken any way you like. I'm going to put some thyme leaves on here. And I'm going to put some poultry seasoning on there. It's a little bit of everything I just added, plus a few extra good things. This is actually turkey seasoning from the Dollar Tree, but it has all the good seasonings that you put on chicken too. Alright, let's get this baby loaded up in the Power XL. Right now that I have my chicken in the Power XL, I put the little rack on the bottom to put the chicken on, to keep it up off the bottom. I'm going to close the lid, and Eric's going to help me out, or he wants to set it. So go ahead, Eric. You push the start button.
I don't think that's it.
Hold on once. Okay, turn this till you hit bake. Alright, now hit the time button. Now turn this till it goes to 45. Alright, now hit the temperature button. Now turn that till it goes to 375. Eric's my little helper. He's my oldest son. Now press the start button. Now it says it's preheating, but it's already preheated because I put the food, or I had it preheated before, so it'll only take a minute. After 45 minutes, we'll check that out. I'll check it a little early, make sure it isn't too crispy, but I think in 45 minutes, we want to get up to about 160, 165. 160 because we'll have it rest for 10 minutes off carryover cooking. So I'm going to go for about 160 for both of them. Alright, my chicken's done. It's at 165. I went for the 45 minutes. And the one in the oven, that took about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, because it was set 25 degrees higher. That's at 160. But like it's the carryover cooking, that'll come up to temperature as they rest for 10 minutes. Alright guys, I left these rest for 10 minutes. Now the one on the right is one that was done in the oven, and the one on the left is one that's was done in the Power XL. You can see there really isn't any difference. And guys, Dexter's not happy that we're having chicken. Let me cut into this. Alright. Let's cook through. Chicken's tender. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some seasoned oven roasted potatoes and some corn to go with this. Let me get in here and try this chicken. See, it's nice and juicy. Fall apart tender. Well seasoned. So let me get one more bite of that, guys. That's really delicious, guys. Perfect for Sunday dinner. Alright, there you have it. Spatchcock chicken and the Power XL air fryer grill combo. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.